In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to group and sort tasks in Microsoft Planner. Let's start by opening Microsoft Planner in your browser and signing into your account. Once you're in, you'll see your main dashboard, which is where everything begins. Over on the left navigation pane, click My Plans. This brings up the plans available to you. From that list, click the prepared plan you want to work with. In this walkthrough, the plan is called Website Launch Sorting Demo. The plan opens with all of your task cards displayed on the board. Now let's group the board by due date. Near the top of the plan, you'll find the view bar, so go ahead and click Board. Then, near the upper right side of the board, click the button that says Group by Bucket, or simply Group By. A grouping menu will appear. From that menu, click Due Date. Planner takes the same task cards and reorganizes them into due date sections, so you can see everything arranged by when it's due. Next, let's switch the board back to bucket grouping. Again, near the upper right side of the board, click the Group by Due Date button, or the Group By button. When the grouping menu opens, click Bucket. The board returns to the original bucket columns, just as it was before. Now we'll sort tasks in Grid View. Up in the view bar near the top of the plan, click Grid. This switches you from cards to a table layout. In the task table, find the Due Date column. Once you've located it, click the Due Date column header. If a column menu opens after that click, choose Sort Ascending from that menu. The task rows are now ordered by due date, with the soonest task appearing first. And that's the whole process. The plan has now been grouped in Board View and sorted in Grid View using Planner's built-in task organization controls. It's worth understanding that the tasks, the buckets, the due dates, and the plan membership all stay exactly the same. The only thing that changes here is the way Planner displays the tasks for you, so nothing about your actual data is altered. Congratulations! You've successfully learned how to group and sort your tasks in Microsoft Planner using these simple display controls.